Hello everyone. Welcome to Jewels Galore at Jewelry Pattern Ideas YouTube channel. This video showcases pearl chains patterns with mixed beads. So if you have mismatched pearls at home, then take ideas from these patterns and create a beautiful pearl neckchain. Alternating round white pearls and irregular pinkish-lavender pearls. Slightly symmetrical distribution, mixing sizes and textures. Mostly white oval pearls. One section features a cluster of multicolored pearls in the center on one side. Asymmetrical focus with a single large baroque pearl accent. Multicolored translucent gemstone beads, green, purple, yellow, paired with irregular pink pearls. Multi-layered design with a flowing, organic pattern. Three-strand necklace. Mix of metallic, ivory, burgundy, and peach pearls with different shapes, round, rice, baroque. Random but balanced color distribution across all strands. Multi-strand necklace with alternating small gold beads, turquoise chips, blue glass beads, and pearls. Uniform spacing creates a balanced, cascading look. Multi-strand necklace featuring large baroque pearls, colorful round pearls, and small seed beads. Asymmetrical placement with clusters of pearls and irregular spacing. Three strands with mixed large gemstone beads, jade, agate, etc. White baroque pearls and metallic seed beads, alternating sizes and colors for a chunky, boho look. Long layered strands with small metallic beads, mixed color pearls, and gemstone beads, evenly spaced with a consistent rhythm of small and large elements for a flowing design. Multi-layered chain with large textured gold loops, dangling pearls and gemstone drops, amethyst, quartz, etc., attached intermittently to loops. Open, airy pattern with spaced charm accents. Light, minimalistic, and whimsical. Thin, transparent double strands with multicolored pearls evenly spaced. Floating illusion style with no defined symmetry. Choker-style necklace. Half made of light green flat round beads, half with white pearls. Chunky metal chain necklace. Copper-toned rings with pinkish pearls dangling in every loop. Bold, industrial style with uniform repetition. Asymmetrical necklace. One half has large white pearls. The other half features ombre-colored beads, pink, orange, bronze with smaller pearls in between. Mixed media choker. One side has small white pearls. The other side has gold metal beads. Central toggle clasp with a hanging pearl charm. Classic-style pearl necklace. Alternating small and medium white pearls. Features a large conch shell, pendant at the center. Layered double-strand necklace. Both strands use white pearls with vibrant glass beads and millefiori flower discs. Lower strand has a heart-shaped black glass charm. Alternating multicolor pearls. White, bronze, gold, olive, gray. Irregular shapes including baroque and drop pearls. Single strand with simple, spaced-out pattern. Clustered twisted strand of small pearls and round colored pearls. Green, purple, silver, etc. Densely packed, giving a voluminous braided appearance. Multi-strand twisted necklace. Uses various colored pearls, cream, pink, blue, gold, and baroque shapes. Interwoven strands for a chunky and bold look. Single strand necklace with scattered pink beads, white pearls, and pearl chips. Mixed bead shapes with a soft pastel palette. Mixed gemstone and pearl design. Alternating round, cylindrical, and nugget-shaped beads in colors: purple amethyst, orange carnelian, blue aquamarine, green chips peridot, and white pearls. Gold spacer, rings between beads, and a gold chain extender for adjustable length. Half white oval pearls, half vibrant multicolor seed beads.